My top GL activities in London: Wembley Stadium. The match England v Latvia. What an incredible match it was. We saw the whole country coming together, feeling the emotion of football, and my god, it was a festival. A stadium that huge, we see how Wembley operates, and that was a cherry on top for us. Walking through such an iconic venue like Lord's, we got to see how large-scale sports events are managed, from hospitality to operations to crowd management to branding. We saw it all in action. It was fascinating for us to learn what we learn at the GMBA program being applied in a real-world setting. The personal experiences that we heard from the alumni gave us a practical experience of how things are in the real world beyond just classroom theories. Networking with the alumni not only strengthened my professional circle, but also gave me opportunities for mentorship and collaboration. This interaction helped me build a professional trajectory for myself, and also having a prep session behind this session helped me to understand the importance of building lasting professional relationships throughout this journey. Visiting Deliveroo gave us an in-depth analysis of understanding how the company thinks of the future. We understood what the visions they are building for in the future and how they've built this company to now. What happens in the background. We got a deeper insight. And in that, we also understood what are the kind of potential candidates that they are looking for in an MBA graduate and what are the qualities that they are looking for in an MBA graduate. A tour of the Warner Brothers studios, Harry Potter and its making. What we saw, artists over there, the costumes and the entire sets they built over a period of 10 years, something that brings the entire country $9.5 billion overall. It is huge what this one enterprise and brand created all over the world. It was not only inspiring a young generation, but also all generations across the world. We got an in-depth analysis and understanding of how they built, they filmed, and all of the intricate nuances that we love about the movies of Harry Potter. And I saw a quote there. It said, "By making magic look real, they make a real world magical." Just like what SP Jain London does.